Marketplace, Makati. Total marketplace is good. Total active listing is 366. Estimated inquiry per day is 3 to 5 this week. Inquiries converted to sales is 10,580 with 8 transaction. Top 3 listing ko po ay CBC shirt with 20 inquiries reserved with 5 total transaction with 5,000. Second listing ko po is Magic Mug with 20 inquiries received with 2 total transaction with 3,000. 3 listing ko po is Polo shirt uniform with 20 inquiries received with 3 total transaction with 10,000. 5 listing need to reserve bomber jacket. Papalitan po ng title. Brush cap, papalitan din po ng title. Na-post ko po na listing this week ay 13. May 3 na